Now let's go to the next part where we would be discussing about acceleration. The next part is what? Acceleration. Now, so what do we mean by acceleration? Can someone help me in defining acceleration?
Rate of change of velocity.
Rate of change of velocity. Satvika is very confident about these things, right? Okay. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change in velocity. And what is the meaning of rate? Any change with respect to time is known as rate. So whenever we are talking about any change with respect to time, so that's called rate.
Delta x upon delta
Yeah.
t.
So I can write acceleration is equal to, acceleration is what? Acceleration is, I'll define rate of change in velocity. Right? Acceleration is rate of change in velocity. So how do I, so what does rate means? Any change with respect to time is known as rate. So whenever I say rate, it is change with respect to time. So what can I say? I can say acceleration. Acceleration is denoted by A. A is how much? Delta V by delta T, or I'll write it as T. So here delta V can be written as V minus U, or I can write A equal to how much? V minus U by T. So what is V here? Generally, we denote final velocity with V or by V. Initial velocity is denoted by U, and A, as the name suggests, A is acceleration. Fine. So we have A equal to V minus U by T. You can quickly take it down.
Sir,
Yes.
can you repeat again?
I'm saying acceleration is rate of change in velocity, right? So what is rate? Rate means any change with respect to time. Anything, if it changes with respect to time, we call it as a rate in physics. So according to the definition, delta V denotes change in velocity. So delta V can be written as V minus U. We generally denote final velocity with the letter V and initial velocity with letter U, and A with acceleration. From that, what do I get? I can write A equal to V minus U by T. So from the definition of acceleration, we have arrived at this equation. Now, what will be unit of acceleration? From this, what would be unit of acceleration? So I'll say standard unit. What will be standard unit? SI unit.
Meter per second square.
So velocity is meter per second by second. So it becomes meter per second square. SI unit is meter per second square. So is this acceleration a vector quantity or a scalar quantity?
Sir, it is a vector quantity.
Vector quantity, sir.
It's a vector quantity. So if it is a vector quantity, it should have direction. So what is direction of acceleration?
So same as the direction of velocity.
Any other answer? So it's a vector quantity. That's absolutely true. But we know that every vector quantity should have a specific direction. In this regard, what would be direction of acceleration? Yes, what would be direction of acceleration? One answer is same as velocity, right? Any other answer?
Sir, it will be in a positive direction.
Will be in a positive direction. So what do you mean by positive direction? That's also okay. So well, Satvika comes up with the answer. Answer is what? It will be along the direction of change in velocity. Getting it? So it will not be along the direction of velocity, because there is every possibility that I'm going on a vehicle and I applied brakes. So when I'm applying brakes, what is the direction of acceleration? It is definitely not in the direction of motion. It is opposite to the direction of motion. So what is direction of acceleration? direction of acceleration can be along the direction of motion or can be opposite to the direction of motion. So how do I define it? I can say that direction of acceleration is always again along the direction of change in velocity. I'll just say that. So you can take down that statement, then I'll explain it in a better way. So I can say acceleration is a vector quantity. The vector quantity directed along the direction of change in velocity. It is directed along the direction of change in velocity. That's fine. So acceleration is a vector quantity directed along the direction of change in velocity. Now we'll try to understand this. If let's say, object's velocity is like this and acceleration is also in this direction, then we say acceleration is positive. If object's velocity is like this and acceleration is in opposite direction, then we say acceleration is negative. So what can I say? I can say if acceleration is along the direction of motion, it is positive. If acceleration is opposite to the direction of motion, it is negative. So I can say acceleration along direction of motion is positive and acceleration opposite to direction of motion is negative. Is that fine? Acceleration along the direction of motion is positive. Acceleration opposite to the direction of motion is negative.